Let's make these delicious cranberry cookies topped with white chocolate ganache, walnuts, and dried cranberries. We're going to start by soaking our cranberries. So I'm just going to pop 1 cup of cranberries into a bowl and then pour some very hot water on top of them. Not boiling, just super hot. And we're going to let those sit for at least 15 minutes to half an hour. While my cranberries finish soaking, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. 2 cups of white flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of flaky sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk those together. Just get them mixed up. For my wet ingredients, 2 sticks of softened butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to cream these together old style using a wooden spoon. Once we've creamed it together a bit, we're going to add 1 egg. I'm going to work that in. We just want to keep beating those together until they're nice and creamy. Just mix, mix, mix. Keep mixing. As you can see, it gets lighter in color as you go. Once that's nice and creamy, I want to start adding my dry ingredients. Once I have those in there, I'm going to mix them together a bit. Once that's almost all together, I want to start adding my cranberries. I'm just going to pop them in there. I've drained them. And just mix them in. Soaking your cranberries helps keep them from drying out during baking, and it also helps to keep them from pulling moisture out of whatever you're baking. Time to get them onto my baking sheet. So I'm just going to use an ice cream scoop. Get a good scoop in there. I'll be chilling these for at least 2 hours today. You can get away with chilling them for about an hour if you like. So I'm going to pop them in the fridge and let them chill. While my cookies chill, I'm going to make a ganache to top them with. This will be a white chocolate ganache. So I've chopped up some white chocolate and I'm just going to pour some very hot, heavy cream on top of that. Make it super hot. This is about 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Very simple ganache. And stir that together until the chocolate's completely melted. Once that's all nice and creamy and your chocolate's all melted, we're just going to set that aside to cool. My cookies are chilled. I've preheated my oven to 325 and I'm just going to press down on them just a bit before I pop them in. And I'm going to bake them at 325 until they're golden brown on top. Cookies are done, they're out of the oven. They came out absolutely amazing. They smell so, so good. That nutmeg, that light touch of cinnamon goes so well with the cranberry. So we're just gonna place them on a cooling rack to let them cool. And on to the second batch. I have half a cup of dried cranberries here, and I'm just gonna chop up half a cup of walnuts, just for the topping. My ganache is ready and it looks amazing. This is the perfect consistency. This will thicken up more as it cools and dries out on the cookie, but this is the perfect consistency for what I want. So we're gonna give that a good stir. Oh, that looks so good. I have my walnut cranberry mix. Let's set that aside. I'm gonna give that a good toss. I like to put some on top. You can skip the toppings completely. These cookies are amazing as is. They're absolutely incredible. But the topping really lets people know, especially people that have sensitivities to nuts and stuff, that there are nuts in it and what the filling is in the cookie, what type of cookie it is. So, and it gives you an absolutely incredible taste experience. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm going to take my cookies and start decorating. I'm going to take a cookie. You can either dip them in or just put a fair amount on there. Oh, that looks good. Throw on some cranberries and walnuts. Get a nice mix in there. Oh, they look so pretty. And pop them down. For my favorite part, the taste test. Let's give one of these a try and see how they came out. They look so pretty. Let's see what they look like inside. Oh, those look so good. Give them a try. These are absolutely fantastic. The cookie itself is incredible. The cranberries, the nutmeg, that dash of cinnamon. Adding that white chocolate ganache really brings it over the top. It's absolutely amazing that way. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.